friends, welcome to Rupam's tutorial. Today I will discuss above base multiplication method from bases 100 to 900. So let's get started. Now we will take our first example, which will be 312 times 309. We have to solve this using our base. Now, firstly, we have to figure out the base. In this case, this number's base will be 300 because, as we learned in above base, the bases should be smaller than the given digits and also a rounded figure or a multiple of 10. So 300 matches that conditions. So it's a base. Now we have to do 312 minus 300, which equals 12, and 309 minus 300, which equals 9. Now we have to add 312 plus 9 or 3, 9 and 12. So we are going to do 312 plus 9, which equals 3, 2, 1. Now we have to multiply this with the base's first digit 3. So this becomes 963. Well, we are going to write this over here. And then we have to do 12 times 9, which equals 108. Now we have to figure out the limit. Well, the limit is 2 digits because there are 2 zeros in the number. So only the tens and units place will be written with this number, and the remaining number will be added to 963. So the answer will be 963 plus 1, which equals 964, no surprise, and then 08. And this is our answer, 96408. Now we are going to do the next example. The next example will be 504 and 519. So, in this case, the base is 500 as it matches all the conditions. So, 504 minus 500 equals 4, and 519 minus 500 equals 19. Now we have to either do 519 plus 4 or 4 plus 19. So how do we do this? Now we will just add 519 plus 4, which equals 523. We are going to write it here. So now we have to multiply the base's first digit with it, which is 5. So the answer is 2615. It's 2615. I am going to write here as well. So now we have to do 4 times 19, which equals 76. Now you may ask, why did I write 76 with 2615? And also is this related to the number of zeros? Well, yes, it does. Very much actually. When you multiply this, you have to keep in mind the the number of zeros in this exact number, which is 500, or the base if you want. And there is 2. When the multiplication digit comes in a 2-digit form, you can write it with the number itself. If it comes in 3-digit form, you have to cut 1 digit, that is the hundreds place, and add it to the number. So now, if it is a 1-digit number which is lesser than the number of zeros, which is a limit, you have to add a 0 to it. So, this is the correct answer, because the result of this is 2 digits, 76, and there are 2 zeros. So, the answer is 261576. Let's take our last and final example. Our next example is 903 times 902. So we now have to figure out the base, which is 900 in this case. And we have to do 903 minus 900, which is 3. And 902 minus 900, which is 2. Now, I'm going to give you a short trick on this subtraction. You don't need to subtract this every time. You can just write the 2 digits. That means these 2, but not this digit. It's okay. So, you can just take any digit you want. So, now you have to do 902 plus 3 or 903 plus 2. Now 903 plus 2 we are going to do it. So 905 is the answer. 903 plus 2 equals 905. Now we have to multiply this with the basis first number 9. The answer is 8145. We are going to write this here 8145. But now we have to do 3 times 2, which is 6. Now, what is the problem again, you ask? Why didn't you just write 6 with it? Well, as I told you, that if you have a 1-digit number, you have to add 1 0 with it. And it should match the limit. So that means if the limit is 3, you have to add 2 zeros. If it is a 1-digit number, you have to add the number of zeros as the limit minus 1. So, now the limit is 2 and 2 minus 1 equals 1. So, you have to add only 1 0 to the left of 6. So, the answer is 814506. So, you can go on with this for any above base multiplication you like from 100 to 900. Remember all the short tricks I told you in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.